Hi, so this is the short demo video of stackit, our project for Odoo hackathon. It's an AI-powered platform which is used for question and answering. It is built using React plus Firebase. It's like a lighter version of Stack Overflow, but smarter and faster, but a very minimal version. So let me show you what it can do very quickly. So first we have this home page. The home page is as a guest as you view it. It has the login and register option, the questions that are available right now, and then we have the tags, and then you can search. So suppose if I want to search something related to, say, TCP IP, so it shows us that question that has already been asked. And then if suppose I want to search via a tag, so suppose I want to ask something related to Java, so I'll just click it, and then we have this question: what is encapsulation? Okay, so this is the home page. Now, so we have two options in login and register, user and admin. So as a user, you can ask questions and answer questions. And as an admin, I can delete unnecessary duplicate questions and stuff. So let's see the user. Let me log in as a user first. Okay, so suppose I continue. Let me remove this tag first. So I continue and see you see here you get to ask a question. So you can we'll check it out later. But as you can see, the question cards now have an answer button and an upvote button. So if I click it, it'll have an upvote button and a downvote button. I can, upvote this and then I can downvote this, whatever. You can do it whatever way. Okay. Let's log in again and ask a question. So suppose I want to ask a question related to Firebase or say React. So there's already, as you saw, there was already questions related to Firebase and React. So you don't want to ask repetitive questions that are already there in the database that have already been asked. So we inculcated an AI suggestion. So if you ask a question related to, let's say, um, so it will give you it's loading. Okay. So it'll give you a stack of three questions that are similar to the question that we're asking. So I think the closest one is how to use Firebase with React, which is perfect because it's already there. So I don't need to ask it again. Okay. I can just go back and, find a tag, suppose Firebase, and say React. I can just find it. Okay. How to use Firebase with React, and I can see the answer. I don't need to ask this again. So let's go to answer. So if suppose I want to ask something else, um, TCP, IP, and OSI. So it shows you the similar question, difference between TCP, IP, and OSI model. So we don't need to ask it again. Okay, now this is a very good feature because if someone is already asking something that's already there, they can just get a suggestion, and the AI suggestion is done by openrouter. Okay, now let's ask completely off the topic. Okay, let's. So obviously we don't have anything in the cybersecurity tools, and so it will just give you the closest it can think about, and you can just write the description here. I would I don't know much about cybersecurity. If I'm just writing, that's completely not there. Um, okay, I can use this. I could use this. Or, I could unbold it. I could bullet points and this alignment. Let's keep it center. We can use emojis. You can also attach a picture. Suppose if you have something related, like we do in Stack Overflow, it's very helpful. So what you can do is you can attach a screenshot. Like suppose I have these screenshots, so I could just attach them. And let me attach something. I'd probably attach. Okay, let's attach this. It's like an error. Okay, yeah. So I attach this and then I can add tags. I can say cyber security, networking, maybe. Okay, so I'll just submit it. And now the question has been submitted and we can see it. We can click on cybersecurity and here it is. How to use cybersecurity tools. I would like to learn cybersecurity tools. Click on it. Yeah. Okay. So I think that's it. We can we can also see the admin panel. Let's pause. Mm, okay, now you can see that there's also a delete option that was not there in the guest view or the user view because this is the admin view. So I can delete a question that has been asked repeatedly. So like this, how to center a div. So I can just delete this because I don't need this. Okay, and it will be deleted. So as an admin, I can do the same stuff like ask a question, answer, upvote, find questions, but there's also an added functionality that is deleting unnecessary or unrequired questions. Okay, I think that's it. So yeah, I'll wrap this up. Okay, thank you.